Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download Kaspersky Antivirus on your computer for free. So for downloading this, search here Kaspersky download. Now go to this link, download Kaspersky Antivirus and just wait. So now click on download. So here you can see downloading has been started. So now double click it and just wait. So here you can see Kaspersky is launching and it is connecting to its server. So now click on continue. Now click on install. If any pop-up shows, click on yes. So it is downloading. So this is how you can download Kaspersky on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.